This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for exams the day before. First, gather all your materials, including notes, textbooks, and past assignments. Next, quickly review your syllabus to pinpoint the most important topics and learning objectives. Prioritize the areas where you feel least confident or those that will be heavily weighted on the exam. Finally, create a focused study plan for the day, allocating specific time blocks to each subject or topic. Once you have your plan, engage in active recall. Instead of passively rereading, try to remember information without looking at your notes. Use flashcards or quiz yourself on key terms and concepts. Work through practice problems, especially for subjects like math or science, to reinforce your skills. Explaining difficult concepts aloud, as if teaching someone else, can also significantly deepen your understanding. Remember to incorporate short, regular breaks into your study session to maintain focus and prevent burnout. Avoid cramming new information late into the night. Instead, focus on reviewing what you've already learned. Before going to bed, do a quick, high-level review of key concepts or summaries. Most importantly, aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep to ensure your brain is well-rested and ready for the exam. On exam day, start with a nutritious breakfast to fuel your brain and remember to stay well-hydrated. Arrive at your exam location early, giving yourself ample time to settle in and avoid any last-minute stress. Double-check that you have all necessary supplies, such as pens, pencils, and a calculator if permitted. Take a few deep breaths to calm your nerves before the exam begins. For more great deals and to check out the Oala water bottle, make sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.